Welcome student, myself Prashant Mathur from Electronics and Communication Department of Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we are going to discuss our next topic in computer network is local area network and IEEE 802 standards. The outlines or we covered the topics in today's lecture is how we coverage the network using local area network LAN, main metropolitan area network and wide area network WAN. Comparison between LAN versus WAN. Topologies using the network such as bus network, ring network and star network. Network architecture in which we study about peer-to-peer network and client server network. We also study about IEEE 802 standards. Now what is the network? A computer network is interconnection of computers to share the resources. Resources can be information, load, devices, etc. Networks are characterized between the following characteristics. Network coverage, in which LAN, MAN, WAN. Network topologies, how the computers are connected together, and network architecture. Network coverage. Local area network. As we know that LAN is used for small network such as school, home and offices. These are the examples and configuration of LAN such as wireless LAN or switched LAN, ATM LAN or frame Ethernet LAN. Peer-to-peer configuration where we are connecting several computers together, less than 10. Client to client server configuration, the server shares the resources between different clients. Now metropolitan area network, it is a backbone network which are connecting all the lanes. It can cover a city or the entire network. Wide area network, it is typically used between cities and countries. The technologies used in WAN are circuit switching, packet switching, frame relay and ATM. The example are internet P2P, where network with the same network software can be connected together, Navstar. There is a comparison between LAN versus WAN. LAN, local area network, a group of computers connected within a building or a campus. Example of LAN may consist of computers located on a single floor or a building, or it might link all the computers in a small company. This is the figure where we used LAN. LAN 1, LAN 2 is connected with workstations and bridges, routers. A LAN interconnecting another LAN, the internet and the mainframe computers. WAN, wide area network. A network consisting of computers of lanes connected across a distance is known as wide area network. WAN can cover a small or large distance. It can use different topologies such as telephone lines, fiber optic cabling, satellite transmission. This is the figure of wide area network. Now the network topologies. Network topology is a configuration or physical arrangement in which devices are connected together. There are three types of networks which is used in network topologies: bus network, ring network, and star network. Bus network, a single central cable is connected with number of devices. It is easy and cheap for installation and maintenance. Popularly, it is used for lanes. Ring network, a number of computers are connected on a closed loop. It covers large distances, primarily used for lanes and wings. Star network, it is connecting all devices to a central unit. All computers are connected to a central device called hub. All data must pass through the hub. These are the diagrams of bus network, ring network, and star network. As shown in the bus network, a single central cable is connected with number of devices. This is the cable connected with number of devices. As definition in ring network, a number of computers are connected on a closed loop, and as we described in star network, connecting all devices to a central unit or a host computer. Now, network architecture. Network architecture is referred to how the computers or devices are designed in a network. These are the basic types of network architecture. Centralized, where we using mainframes. In peer-to-peer network, each computer peer has equal responsibility, capacities, sharing hardware, data with the other computers on the peer-to-peer network. Good for a small business and home network, simple and inexpensive. In a client-server network, all clients must request services from the server. The server is also called a host. Different servers perform different tasks as file server, network server, etc. These are the figures of peer-to-peer network and client-server network. In peer-to-peer network, each computer peer has equal responsibilities, capacities for sharing hardware, data with the other computers. Or in client-server network, one is centralized, powerful computer known as server. The clients run program and access data that are stored on the server. These are the client and this is the server. Powerful computer, centralized. Client run programs and access data that are stored on the server. Now the IEEE 80 standards. IEEE standards, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer IEEE publishes several widely accepted LAN recommended standards. These standards collectively known as IEEE 802 standards. The services and protocol specified in IEEE 802 map to the lower two layer, data link layer and physical layer of the 7-layer OSI network reference model. In fact, IEEE 802 splits the OSI data link layer into two sub-layers named LLC, Logical Link Control Sublayer, MAC, media access control sublayer. The IEEE 802 family of standard is maintained by the IEEE 802 Landman Standard Committee LMSC. The most widely used IEEE standards are for the Ethernet family, token ring, wireless LAN, Wi-Fi, bridging and virtual bridge LANs. These are the various standards which we used in IEEE 802. Standard are as IEEE 802.1 is using for high level interface, IEEE 802.2 is using for logical link control, IEEE 802.3 is using for Ethernet, IEEE 802.4 is using for token bus, IEEE 802.5 is using for token ring, IEEE 802.6 is using for metropolitan area network, IEEE 802.7 is using for broadband LANs, IEEE 802.8 is using for fiber optic lanes, IEEE 802.9 is using for integrated data and voice network, IEEE 802.10 is using for security purpose, and IEEE 802.11 is using for wireless network. Thank you very much. If you have any query or suggestion, you can reach me via my email ID prashantmathur@aryacollege.in. Thank you.